Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. Today something new in the ID.4. I got a little software update this morning, so now I can go to the shop, and currently I'm downloading the new WeCharge app with POI points, so the points of interest during your charging status, and some games. So let's have a look what it is. So as you see, you got some memory. It's just fun, I think, so nothing special, but you can select things. You got VW Go. As you can drive a little ID.3 with it and try to get as far as possible. You can search some words in the word game, chess, so you can play with 2 players. So how cool is that? And solitaire, like in the old days. So it's some 90s games, I think. So really cool feature, something special in the car. Cool to see that Volkswagen uses and listens to his new owners, and this is possible on the 3.0 update now, so you can download it via the shop after the small update you get in the car. I got it this morning, so it works right now. Thanks for watching guys, please like, subscribe and share, and until next time.